Welcome to Read Science World. Today our topic is how to add or subtract unlike fractions. Now we have two unlike fractions, 1 over 2 and 3 over 4, and we have to add them. So as I told you in our video of like fractions and unlike fractions are those fractions in which the denominators are different, 2 and 4. No matter whatever is the numerator, if the denominators are different, we call it an unlike fractions. So if it was a like fraction, if it was 1 over 2 and 3 over 2, it would be a like fraction and it would be pretty simple to add it. So we would just take the denominator as 2, which is common for both, and in the numerator we will just add the 1 and 3. And here we will get 4 over 2. We also know how to reduce the fractions now. So if we cancel them, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 over 1 is the answer. Now we do not write 2 over 1 because if 1 is the denominator, we can just ignore it. So in that case, we can just write 2. This is the final answer. But if we have unlike fractions, then what should we do? So to add unlike fractions, the first step that we need to do is find out the LCM of the denominators. So who are our denominators? 2 and 4. So we have to find out the LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? It's 4. Just find out the LCM by prime factorization method or whatever method you know. And take the LCM as the common denominator. The next step is we have to figure out 2 into how much is 4. We know 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now this answer, 2 into how much is 4, this answer 2, how will we get if we do not know? We can just divide 4 by 2 to get this answer. Now that 2 will be taken to the numerator and be multiplied with the numerator. So we can write 4 divided by 2, that is 2, multiplied by 1, which is our numerator. Now we have done this portion. Now the next step is, here is a plus sign. So we will give plus sign. Again we will do the same thing for this portion. So what is the step? We have to figure out 4 multiplied by how much is 4. The denominator multiplied by how much is the LCM. Okay, so we know 4 multiplied by 1 is the LCM, but what if we do not know? We can just divide and check. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now this 1 will be multiplied with its numerator. So we can say 4 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. Now we are going to solve this portion. So we know the rules, BODMAS. So we can just start with the division. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Here we have written 2. Then multiplied by 1 is kept as it is. Plus 1 is kept as it is. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Multiplied by 3. Denominator is taken as 4, which is the LCM. Do not forget that. Okay, now let us do what is 2 multiplied by 1. That is 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3. That is 3. So we are doing the multiplication first and then the addition. Now it's only 2 plus 3 and we can take it as 5 by 4. So our final answer of this addition is 5 over 4. We have one more. So how to do this? The same way, the denominators are different and they are 6 and 8. So we will find out the LCM of 6 and 8, which is 24, and we take 24 as our common denominator. Then we will figure out 6 multiplied by how much is 24. We know that in short, 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So we are not writing all those division and everything. So we are just making it 5 into 4. That is 20. Again, we have the plus sign. Next, what should we do? We should figure out 8 multiplied by how much is 24. So we know 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. We take that 3 to the numerator as multiplication. So we have to do 11 multiplied by 3. That is 33. Now we'll just do the addition. 53 over 24. That's our final answer. Now how to subtract unlike fractions? The same process. We have a subtraction, 15 over 6 minus 11 over 8. We will again do the LCM. LCM is of 6 and 8 is 24. So we will keep 24 here. Figure out 6 into how much is 24. It's 4. 4 will go as multiplication to the numerator. 15 multiplied by 4 is 60. Now instead of plus sign, we will give minus sign here. and figure out 8 into how much is 24. 8 into 3 is 24. We take that 3 as multiplication with 11. So here we give 11 into 3, 33. Now we'll just do the subtraction on the numerator. 60 minus 33 is 27. So our answer will be 27 over 24. So if we talk about the formula, if we have two fractions, the first numerator is taken as n1, the first denominator is taken as d1. We have a plus sign over here. It can be also a minus sign. The second numerator is taken as n2 and the second denominator is taken as d2. Now what about the formula? First thing we need to do is we have to find out the LCM of d1 and d2, denominator 1 and denominator 2, and we will take the LCM as the common denominator. Next step, we will do LCM divided by d1. After that, whatever the answer is, we will multiply that with n1. Then since we have an addition here, we will give plus sign. Same thing, LCM divided by D2 multiplied by N2 this time. So this is our formula for the addition or subtraction of unlike fractions.